Some homes check all the boxes, and then there are homes that completely change the way you live. Welcome to 70 Oakwood Shoreline Drive on beautiful Oakwood Lake, where every day begins with incredible views, peaceful mornings on the water, and the feeling that you're on vacation without ever leaving your home. Custom built in 2017, this home was thoughtfully designed from the ground up to maximize comfort, entertaining, and of course, those incredible lake views. From the moment you walk through the front door, it's obvious this home was built with quality in mind. Every room flows naturally into the next, creating spaces that feel welcoming, whether you're hosting a family for the holidays or enjoying a quiet weekend at the lake. But one of my favorite things about this home is that the lake becomes part of your everyday life. Just check this out. No matter where you're standing in the family room area here, you're constantly reminded why you chose to live here. The 11-foot ceilings, beautiful fireplace, oversized windows, and open layout create the perfect gathering space. And then there's the kitchen. If you enjoy cooking or entertaining, this is going to be your happy place. I've toured a lot of homes over the years, and I can honestly say this pantry right here deserves its own spotlight. You've got a second dishwasher, incredible cabinet space, extra countertops for prep, shelving everywhere, and even a grocery door right next to the garage door over here. So it's one of those features you don't know you need until you have it. The primary suite was designed as a true retreat. Imagine waking up every morning with the sun reflecting off the lake, then ending your day soaking in the jetted tub after spending the afternoon on the water. All right, another feature I absolutely love is this bonus loft right here. Whether you're looking for a home gym, a game room, movie room, or even an art studio, maybe just a place for the grandkids to hang out, this gives you the flexibility that most homes simply don't have. The walkout lower level was built for entertaining. Whether you're watching football in the fall, hosting family over the holidays, or spending summer weekends with friends after a day on the lake, this space was designed for making memories. So this is where I picture everyone gathering, grilling supper, watching the kids play, listening to the birds, watching boats go by. It's quiet, it's peaceful, and honestly, it's exactly what lake life is supposed to feel like. Step outside, and you'll understand why this property is so special. The screened porch lets you enjoy summer evenings without worrying about the bugs. The open deck is perfect for entertaining. The patio creates another incredible gathering space. And the maintenance-free walkway leads you directly to your own private beach and 100 feet of beautiful Oakwood Lake shoreline. This garage is just another huge bonus for you. Whether you have a boat, a jet ski, fishing gear, maybe a golf cart, or just have extra space or extra workshop, having this detached garage makes living so much easier. What I love most about this property isn't just the craftsmanship or the incredible features. It's the lifestyle, coffee on the screened porch, summer afternoons on the water, bonfires by the lake, fall colors reflecting across the shoreline, watching snowfall from the warmth of your living room. Oakwood Lake isn't just a summer destination, it's a place you'll enjoy during every season of the year. All right, so if you've been dreaming about owning a luxury lake home where every detail has already been thought of, this could be the one you've been waiting for. My team would love the opportunity to give you your own private viewing of this incredible home here at 70 Oakwood Shoreline Drive. We're the Home Team 605. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.